There is something truly special about digging into the soil, pulling out your very own homegrown potatoes. It's a rewarding experience that connects us directly to our food. Potatoes are one of America's favorite vegetables. They are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, crispy fries, and creamy mashed potatoes. The journey from a small seed potato to a delicious meal starts right in your backyard. Growing your own means you control what goes into the soil for fresher, tastier, healthier produce. This guide will walk you through every step, even if you have never grown anything. You don't need a massive farm, a small garden bed, a raised planter, or a large container on your patio works. The satisfaction of knowing you grew them yourself is a powerful motivator. Success is about understanding what your plants need and providing it consistently. These resilient tubers thrive in the cooler northern states and in the warmer southern regions. Choose varieties suited to your climate and how you plan to cook. In the north, Kennebec and Russet Burbank love long, cool seasons and yield large, starchy tubers, perfect for baking and frying. Yukon Gold is versatile and matures relatively quickly, great for shorter summers. In the warm, humid south, choose heat-tolerant types like Red Lesotho or Adirondack Blue, and plant early spring or for a fall crop to dodge peak heat. High-starch russets for baking, mashing, frying, waxy reds and fingerlings hold shape for salads and roasting. Yukon Gold sits comfortably in the middle. Always buy certified seed potatoes. Grocery potatoes are often treated with sprout inhibitors and can carry disease. Starting with high-quality seed is the foundation of a great potato crop. Potatoes are root vegetables, so soil quality directly affects your harvest. They prefer loose, well-drained, slightly acidic soil. Heavy clay restricts tuber growth and holds too much water, inviting rot. Very sandy soil drains too quickly, washing away nutrients. Aim for a sandy loam that crumbles easily, great for tuber expansion and easy harvests. Spread 2 to 4 inches of compost, aged manure or shredded leaves over the bed. Work amendments into the top 8 to 12 inches to aerate and balance drainage and moisture. Test pH. If above 7.0, lower it with elemental sulfur or acidic organic matter like pine needles or peat moss. Finish soil prep a few weeks before planting to let amendments integrate. Good soil is the foundation of a healthy garden and a generous harvest. Loose, rich, well-drained soil sets the stage for a fantastic crop. Your future self will thank you for it. For containers, use a high-quality lightweight potting mix blended with compost, never dense garden soil, to keep roots aerated and drain well. 1 to 2 weeks before planting, chit your potatoes in a cool, bright spot to encourage short, sturdy sprouts. Wait until sprouts reach about ½ inch to 1 inch. If large, cut seed potatoes into 2-ounce pieces with at least 2 or 3 strong eyes. Let them sit a day or two to callus, critical to prevent rot. Dig a 6 to 8 inch trench, place pieces cut side down, sprout side up, spaced 10 to 12 inches, rows 2 to 3 feet apart for airflow and access. Cover with just 3 to 4 inches of soil at first. As shoots emerge and grow, hill soil gently around stems. This boosts tuber production, blocks sunlight and supports plants. Keep soil lightly moist early, never waterlogged. Water is most critical at flowering and just after when tubers bulk up. If it's dry 2 inches down, water deeply. Target about 1 to 2 inches per week. Avoid excess nitrogen, lush leaves, fewer tubers. Use a balanced or root crop fertilizer at planting and side dress at first hilling. Weed by hand or skim with a sharp hoe to avoid damaging shallow tubers. After final hilling, add 2 to 3 inches of organic mulch to suppress weeds, conserve moisture and keep soil cool. In containers, start with 6 inches of mix. Set 3 to 4 seed pieces, cover with 4 inches, and hill with more mix as stems grow. Keep moisture even, containers dry fast and give full sun. Close the loop with home compost to feed soil life naturally. Use soaker hoses under mulch and water in the morning to reduce evaporation and disease. Rotate nightshades, avoid the same spot for at least 3 years, and grow diverse crops to break pest cycles. Sustainability starts with soil, feed it with organics, protect it with mulch, and it will feed you back, season after season. Even with the best care, pests and diseases happen. Early ID is everything. Colorado potato beetles, striped adults and soft orange larvae can defoliate fast. Check for orange egg clusters, crush them and hand-pick beetles and larvae into soapy water. Flea beetles make shot holes. Aphids cluster and suck sap. Blast with water first. If needed, use insecticidal soap or neem, always follow the label. Early season floating row covers physically block pests. Watch for blight, dark leaf spots that spread in humidity. Prevent with spacing and watering the soil, not leaves. Remove and destroy infected foliage. Potato scab is mostly cosmetic. Maintain pH 5.0 to 6.5 and rotate beds. 2 to 3 weeks after flowering, gently feel for small new potatoes. Harvest a few and leave the plant to keep growing. Eat new potatoes fresh. For storage, wait until tops yellow and die back, usually 100 to 120 days. Cut the tops and wait 2 weeks underground to thicken skins. On a dry day, lift gently with a fork a foot out from the stem and hand collect every tuber. Dry for a few hours in shade, never in direct sun, which greens potatoes. Cure in a dark ventilated space at 45 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 weeks. Brush off dirt, don't wash, and store at 40 to 50 degrees Fahrenheit in burlap or vented crates, never near onions.